English conversation at the bank. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
How may I assist you today?
I'm interested in opening a bank account.
Great. Are you an existing customer of our bank, or is this your first time banking with us?
It's my first time banking with your institution.
Okay. We offer a variety of accounts based on your needs. May I ask what type of account you're looking to open?
I'm not quite sure. I just need a basic checking account.
Sure, we have a few options for that. Our most popular option is our simple checking account, which has no monthly maintenance fees. Would you like to proceed with that?
Yes, that sounds good.
All right. To begin the process, I'll need some information from you, such as your name, address, and social security number. Do you have those handy?
Yes, I do.
Can you write the required information, such as name and address, on the form that I will give you?
Yes, I have completed the required information.
Your account has been successfully set up. Here is your account number and debit card. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that's all for now. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.